Good morning, my friends. It's Lisa Torres here. Happy Monday. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to be a little bit more consistent inside of your network marketing company so that you can start getting the results that you're looking for. So stay tuned. Okay, so here we go. How do we be a little bit more productive? I shouldn't say a little bit, I should say a lot more productive inside of our businesses. We're all here to grow a successful business, and the problem with so many people is that they just don't know what to do every single day. They basically don't have a plan of action, and if you don't have a plan of action, how are you going to get the results that you're looking for? Okay, so what I want to do is I'm actually going to share my screen with you so that I can show you, and I'm going to take you guys off of this holder right there, and I'm going to show you my screen. Okay, now what I'm showing you here is my daily method of operation. Okay, so as you can see at the top, I make sure that in the morning I get my workout done. Super important. The second thing is that, you know, from 9 to 9:30 I'm taking my daughter to school. Okay, and then and we're talking about, you know, the Monday through Friday here. Whoops. What did I do here? We're talking about the Monday through Friday, right? So here you can see I am having my shake in the morning. So I schedule that in. And then the green is income producing activities. Excuse me, sorry, I have a touch screen. So it's income producing activities. And if I have any like wake up calls that I'm hosting or any webinars that I've been asked to attend or any calls that I have to do, I will put it in my income producing activities in red if it's cutting into my time, which most of the time it's not, so it's very rare. But when I do, you know, I'll put it in my income producing activities part. The pink one is, you'll see my husband's name there because we got to make sure that we spend some time, right? So 1:30 to 4, that's what we're doing. I'm going out to lunch, we're going to hang out, we're, you know, whatever. And every Friday, you can see here from 3 to 4, I am going to get a massage because I think getting massages are very important for relaxation. And then also here from 4 to 7, it is family time. Okay, so everything in purple that you see here, even on the weekends, from 8 to 9 in the morning, it's 8 to 9 at night, it's family time on Sundays. Okay, and you can see here more family time on Saturdays. Okay, so 1:30 to 8 o'clock, I am just totally into my family. And then here we have the I have my business opportunity hangout, I have the LSP hangout, I have the Victory Tribe hangout. So all of that is scheduled in, and then right before I go to bed, I take about another half an hour after those hangouts to do some more income producing activities, which is all in green, and then it's my husband time for the rest of the night. So we'll like watch a movie, you know, talk and just hang out until we're ready to go to bed around. We usually go to bed around maybe 12, sometimes 1 o'clock at night. Okay, so then on the weekends, if you see here, it's the same thing. On the weekends, where's the weekends? Over here. Okay, on the weekends you could see that I'm doing my fitness, I'm having my shake, I'm blocking out from 9:30 to 1:30 to do videos. Okay, so that actually this video that I'm doing right now is in between that time, and I'm preparing it for Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday and all the videos that I have to do for the entire week. So I'm cutting them out and I'm doing them today. And then as you can see, from 1:30 to 8 family time, and then 8 to 11 o'clock on Saturday nights, I'm basically, I mean, unless we're going to the movies or something like that, then, you know, I'll cut that time in half. But usually it's like admin stuff, my Facebook groups, my blog, things like that, things that I need to do administratively. So here we have on Sundays, you see that on Sundays, a family time, and then at night from 9 to 11, I brainstorm the ideas that I'm going to do you know, inside of my business. Okay, so ideas, and usually in this area I prepare for the following week. So I'll prepare for what I'm going to do here at the 9:30 to 1:30 on Saturdays. So I'll prepare that for the following week. Okay. So it's all about brainstorming, right? It's all about, creating, it's all about creating, just being more consistent, because when you can do that, then you can start having success. I also use this pad here that I recently just started using. I'm color coding some of the places where I must be, some appointments, any prospects that I need to call or follow up with. They're going inside of that book as well. So these are just some of the things that I do, and highly recommend that if you want to be a little bit more consistent inside of your network marketing business, that you start implementing exactly what I showed you to do today.